Okay, hey guys, it's Jessie. It's gonna be a little low, not too late. It's only 9 o'clock tonight here. Um, but it's a special edition. We are not unboxing any Nerd Block or Loot Crate or Smuggler's Bounty or what have you. Today was the first day of the Fan Expo here in Toronto. It's a 4-day event, which basically is an anime con, a sci-fi con, a horror con, a Comic Con, I think a couple of other cons, all rolled up into one. You can go and you can go and shop. There's tons of shopping there, or you can go meet your celebrity, your favorite celebrity if they happen to be coming this year. You can get a photo op with them, or get them to sign something. There's panels where they go and they answer your questions, and so yeah, it's a big thing here at the end of summer each year. And I go every single year for about 5 years now. So today I'm going to show off a couple things. The first thing is the first thing I bought, which is this. For all you Walking Dead fans out there, we bought the loose salve, which is, of course, for those of you who don't know, Negan fat from The Walking Dead. So that's pretty awesome. My husband bought it. He's going to get Jeffrey Dean Morgan to sign it in October. And I'm not going to show off everything that I bought, but it's an awesome thing. So I just wanted to show you. If you go to the right booth, it is $30. So make sure to go to the big building, which is the North Building, South Building, the big building. Not the one off Front Street, but the one where you go in beside the aquarium. And you go to that building, and I think it's like row 1108 or something, or 708, whatever. When you walk in, at the end of the aisle, there's one of those big things of Han Solo and the carbonite. That's what it's called. Thank you. And the carbonite. And right there, you can buy it for $30. There's also a booth in the other building, which you can access from Front Street, which is also selling surprise boxes that I'm going to be showing you guys in a minute. So just take a look for those surprise boxes, and she is also selling the bat for $30. So anybody who likes The Walking Dead and likes Negan and would like to have his bat, Fan Expo has that one. That's kind of a rubbery type one, but it's a very hard rubber, so it's really good. They also have all the booths, even the ones that are selling the Negan bat for $33, which is every other booth that's selling the Negan bat. They all have the hard bat, like the regular hard bat, for $55 if you're willing to spend that much. And actually, this shirt is actually a shirt I got at the Fan Expo too in Artist Alley, and they are selling them this year. I believe the price was $25. So, on to the real reason for this video, which is the booth where I did buy the bat. It's called Superhero Sanctum, and they are selling these boxes, and she let me look in one to get an idea of how much stuff is in there and kind of what's in there and stuff like that. And the boxes are $30 each, or 2 for $50. So I held off until I could get home and unbox them for you guys. I did do another one from another booth in there, which was all Star Wars, and I couldn't wait to unbox that one. So we kind of unboxed it in the premium lounge. But I waited to do that. We actually have 2 boxes from them, because we bought them 2 for $50. So we are going to unbox them. And just like normal, we are not going to look in them or unbox them, apparently. My goodness, I really do a number with these boxes. Even the other box is really tough to open. Holy cow. Okay, so we are going to, that's a t-shirt. You can feel it, so I'm going to put it behind me. And the first thing we are going to have is not something I'm interested in, but Dragon Ball Z Go Tanks. And I apologize to any Dragon Ball Z fans out there if I'm mispronouncing his name. I don't know anything about Dragon Ball Z. but it's from a Super Battle collection. So, oops, that way. So, Joe is going to pick the next item out of the box. And it is, Age of Ultron. Contains 2 dice and cards per pack. A Dice Masters thing, which if Joe decides he wants to keep it, will open up. Otherwise, we probably won't, because I don't like opening up things I'm not going to keep. Then we have another thing here. Ooh, this one we are definitely keeping. This is a Captain America keyring, authentic replica from the movie. So that is really awesome. I love keychains. When I was a kid, I actually used to have a huge keychain collection. I mean, I don't know what happened to them all. I have really great keychains, but I'm definitely keeping that. That's going to go on that definitely for sure. And then we have World of Warcraft, another thing I'm not into. It looks like it's a Lego figure of some kind. Build the battle. So I guess that's what it's supposed to look like in the end. So that's really weird because nobody would really be able to get off the ground with something quite as big as that. But yeah. And then we have Pathfinder Adventure Card Game. Another thing I'm not going to have. I'm not going to see because I don't even know what Pathfinder is. But Rise of the Rune Lord. The Skinsaw Murders Adventure Deck. Contains 110 cards. It's Adventure Deck 2, apparently. So, it's a little bit ruined, but that's okay. Ooh, we have something big. We have Wildfire Honey. Light Assault Walker. Includes 1 walker with 2 weapon types and 2 corresponding unit cards. Now, it looks like it has the Captain America thing in the corner there, but I don't remember if there is in Captain America. So, I'm not really sure. It's created by Death Studios. Yeah, I don't really even know what it's from. So, there you go. Wildfire Honey thing. No idea whatsoever. Then we have a deck box, which I guess would be good for anybody who has the Pathfinder cards. Or any deck cards. You can open it up and put all your cards in here. So, useful. Not something I'll use, but useful nonetheless. And then we have an ugly looking guy. And I'm sorry if I'm offending anyone who happens to know who this actually is, because I have no idea. See if it says at the bottom. Universal Studios, made in China. Yeah, no idea. So just whoever that figure is. Oh, and look, we have a DVD that I am not going to keep. Show Baseball Girls, and once again I apologize if I'm mispronouncing it. It's an anime thing, and I really don't know anything about anime. So Joe is either going to forfeit his turn, or he's going to put the toy down and take his turn. Alright, and then we have, this I think I'll keep. This is a Wonder Woman, it's a Hero Clicks of Wonder Woman. Even without her looking at me, I can tell that's Wonder Woman. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to keep that. And then we have Betty Page, Dave Stevens, Girl of Our Dreams pin. No idea. So this box is actually filled with stuff that I'm either not interested in, or I have no idea what it is or where it's from.
I know this
no
one.
clue.
I don't know.
Well, clearly my husband knows. And then we have a shot mug. Hear Me Roar, Lannister. Oh, Game of Thrones. It's a Game of Thrones shot glass. I'm not into Game of Thrones. Now we're going to look at it like all small stuff. Then we've got Fantastic. Oh, we're going to keep this. It's another keychain. It is Doctor Who. says a fantastic, which is one of the 11th Doctor's key phrases, which is cool because it actually just was in his Q&A today. So then we have some magnets, live humans only beyond this point, and warning, not feed the zombies. And another one of these rings. I got this in the surprise box last year too. So I don't know if you can really see that. There you go. It's like one of those superhero power ring things. I actually have one somewhere. Then we have a Comic Fest Merman Trick or Treat. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's a comic book. It's a comic book. And we have Dragon Age 2 Embroidered Patch Templars. And what else is there? We have My Little Pony Fun Packs. Maybe I'll give this to my little cousins. We'll see what I'm going to do with it, I'm not sure. And then the Legend of Korra Air patch. And, Harley Quinn pen. And a My Little Pony pin. And these pins. Pins in here. We've got, I think that's the Joker and another version of Harley Quinn. And the Superman, that's awesome. I'll probably keep all these buttons. I have a small button collection. I love having them. And then I think this is another version of the Joker. More buttons. Lots of buttons. Then you've got Poe Dameron #1 from Star Wars. I couldn't say that because I don't know who the heck he was. Batman.
Oh, Poe. Alien Poe.
And then Batman, and then a duplicate of that other button that we've already got with the Joker and the Quinn. And then we have the big button here, which is magnet. Don't even ask, but it looks like it's just a bunch of magnets. So I don't know if it's supposed to be some weird eyeball thing or cross. Maybe it's cross, but it's still got magnets, so that's kind of gross.
Or could be the Umbrella Corporation.
So we're just going to throw all of this back in here real quick so we can get on to the next box. We're already 15 minutes in. Oh, sorry, you're right. You just reminded me there was a t-shirt in that box. So, before we go on to the next box, we have a t-shirt, which is Deadly Class in Vitam Mortem. No idea. Vitam and then Deadly Class. So, I have no idea. The tag. Okay, just says it's extra large, but doesn't really tell me what the shirt is. So, no idea. So, on to the second box, which is, surprisingly enough, a little bit easier to open. Well, the one side wasn't. Alright, Joe can pick first. This is the box I think I picked. Put that over there, another t-shirt. Kind of ruins the point of all prizes, so I don't know why you would do that. We've got the Big Bang Theory Penny Bendable Action Figure. So So good for people who like good things. Not me, but some Great Siamon. Another thing from Dragon Ball Z. Once again, I apologize. And I'm going to stop apologizing. I apologize in advance for any names I say wrong right now. So if I say any more wrong, well, I apologize. I'm not going to continue to apologize. Rachel Duncan from Orphan Black. Top final figure. And it looks like there's about 6 of them that we can get here. So I don't really watch Orphan Black, but alright. More basement playing cards. I got a deck of these last year in the surprise box. From a different company, mind you, but alright, so pick a. We have a Duck Pez. It doesn't even look like it resembles any actual duck, like Donald Duck or Daffy Duck or anything like that. It could be Daffy Duck, I suppose, a young Daffy Duck. Let's say it could be a young Daffy Duck. But it's Pez, which comes with Pez games. Ooh, nice. Iron Man. Soft touch magnets. That is so cool. I am definitely keeping that. Because Iron Man rocks. Ooh, and we're probably going to keep this, yes. Avengers Assemble Micro Comic Film Packs. That's awesome. So, comic checklist. Oh, that's a comic checklist. Sorry, this is the front of it. Avengers Assemble Serpent of Doom. And then bonus movie items inside. 1 micro poster, 1 sticker sheet, and 1 pop-out DVD. That's awesome. Then another Pathfinder thing. I'm pretty sure it's the same one as in the other one, so I'm not going to hold it up for too long because you all know what it is, and I don't really need to get the information again. Ooh, and then a zombie pack. This is pretty awesome. Look at that zombie pack. This would probably be good for all those Walking Dead, because isn't it zombies on Walking Dead? I mean, they're not called zombies, but aren't they essentially zombies? Anyways, this says it comes with a target, a punched rearview mirror parking permit, transparent car wing window decal for outside of glass, car side window license decal, one of 4 different zombie emergency response operations laminated ID cards. Oh, sorry, I kind of ended like there was more, and I guess there wasn't more. So that's what you get. So that's actually pretty cool. Maybe we'll even keep that. Apparently, it was worth $3. Ooh.
I know as I
My doctor. Not my favorite doctor, keep in mind. It's still my doctor, though. My favorite doctor currently is Peter Capaldi. Sorry, Matt Smith. I love you to pieces. Peter Capaldi is my favorite doctor. But this is my doctor. And that is David Tennant. So it's a cool figure. And it's actually really looks a lot like him, which is very rare, I find, for figures. And the reason I call him my doctor is because he's the doctor that got me hooked on Doctor Who. Actually, my very first episode was Silence in the Library, Part 1. I know it's not like it's Silence in the Library Part 1, Part 2, but I can't remember what the second part was. But Silence in the Library was my first ever episode. So Donna is my companion. Even through all the companions, she's still my absolute favorite companion. So I'm so excited I'm getting to meet her this weekend. And I'm going to get a photo op with her. So I'm really excited about that. I have like a whole Donna Noble outfit thrown together kind of last minute, but still really awesome. And he is my doctor. Not my favorite doctor currently, but my doctor nonetheless. Then we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pack, which includes a micro comic, a micro poster, 2 sewer caps, and 1 sticker sheet. So that's pretty cool. And then you can see whatever that is in the back. And then, oops, I think I got 2 things. This is from something. Must have we have another Hero Clicks, which is the Scarlet Witch. There we go. And then something not in a package. Ooh, it's a Spider-Man. And I'll show it to you in a minute. A piece of him fell off. Joe was just trying to connect it.
I think that's what goes for the shirt.
Anyways, I'm not sure if that's how it goes, but it fell off his arm, and this is a cool Spider-Man. So, I'm gonna definitely keep that. That's awesome. Okay, that's something good. Ooh, Avengers Assemble Mashup. Super squishy. And we got Captain America. So that's pretty awesome. You can see on the side there all the different things you can get. Different mashups, and you can see that we got Captain America. So that's pretty cool. And we have Marvel Superhero Chain with Wolverine and Spider-Man and Iron Man. Yes, Iron Man. I hate saying the wrong name. I got it wrong. So there you go. So it's the Marvel's Heroes keychain. It's the same thing on both sides. And then you've got a Tintin relief thing. I don't even know what it is. But something from Tintin, obviously. So, Joe, next. Don't worry, guys, we're almost done. I know this video is kind of long. Oh, this shot glass we're keeping. The Invincible Iron Man. Yep. So, that's a pretty awesome. Sounds like we got a lot of buttons again. Oh, and then we got another one of these girl dreams. I went through that with the last one, so I'm not going to bother. We don't have much left, guys. We have the Betty and Veronica comic, which is cool because I love Betty and Veronica. And I actually have this very same comic that I got in one of my nerd blocks. So, pretty cool, I guess, even though I don't read it. And then another ring. I'm not really sure what this one is. Oops, there it goes. The triangle with the sun. And just in case I have it upside down, I'll show you that way too. No idea what that is. And then more pins, guys. We have Superman. And another one of that guy from Star Wars. And then a kitty cat. And another one of those little pony ones, like the and Superhero. Not really quite sure. There you go. And then LOD. That's no idea. And somebody in Gotham City loves me. That's an awesome button. The Harley Quinn. And last one, guys. We have an awesome Batman one. So, that was it. Oh, not done yet. I keep forgetting we have some shirts. Oh, this one's nice. This one's good. I don't know. This one says Sparkin. Yeah, there we go. Sparkin. I'm not sure if that's one of those ones from that movie. Game of Thrones.
Yes.
Alright, now as a quick tack on at the end, we will, even though we've already unboxed it, we'll show you what we got in the other surprise box very quickly, just to show you what we got. This was actually the surprise box. It was themed. These ones were $20. I'm not going to open up the whole box. Oh, why not? I'll show you. It's not a very big box. And it was themed, so it is all Star Wars stuff. So, I mean, it's a pretty cool box for storage and stuff. So for $20 you can't really go wrong. And we calculated it based off the prices that they have on here. And we got about, I think, $70 worth of stuff. So this was titanium head thing. Sorry, there's kind of a slight glare. And apparently that was worth $15. And then we have the Star Wars hamster dude of the black guy, whose name I can't remember right now. I'm really tired. Finn, that's it. And that was worth $5. And we've got a Yoda light up yo-yo, which is worth $3. And a C-3PO, I think it's a pen with an extra thing at the bottom to put on there. And that was worth $9. And we've got like a Lego set here of the, what is that?
TIE Fighter.
TIE Fighter. So you can see the Lego pieces here. And that's apparently worth $9. And we got the Jedi Master's bowl. So you can see him, and then that, and it's apparently worth $3. And then you've got Yoda there. And Jedi Master, so that's pretty cool.
T-shirt was the last thing.
And we got a t-shirt that he's not going to fit into anyway, because it's quite small. But it says, "I am your father." And apparently this was priced at $9.95, and they even priced the box. Well, the box is priced at $19.95, but that could actually, I don't know if that's the actual price of the box now that I'm thinking of it, or just the price because the box itself was $19.95, now that I'm thinking of it. But even with that, we still got a good $50–60 worth of stuff. So it's pretty good. And that's in the big building near the aquarium. And I might be getting another box. I'm thinking about getting a Guardians of the Galaxy box, which is about $40. And the box itself shows Guardians of the Galaxy, of course. And then, of course, I got something I've been dying to get, which is the original Jack Frost. Not the comedy with the guy who died and came back to make things right with his son. This is with a psycho killer. Because on his way to be executed, the vehicle containing notorious serial killer Jack Frost collides with a hazardous chemical truck, turning Jack into a snow-covered mutant and unleashing him on the unsuspecting town of Snowminton, the snowman capital of the Midwest. Jack immediately takes advantage of his newfound freedom and blizzardly abilities to seek revenge on the bungling sheriff, played by Christopher Alport, that accidentally ended his cross-country killing spree. On his way to the sheriff, Jack terrorizes the snowman-themed town and murders its residents in a variety of winterized ways. Can the residents of Snowminton fight back against the psychopath snowman from hell, or will they all end up in a snow-covered grave? And it's starring Scott McDonald, Shannon Elizabeth, Christopher Allport, Stephen Mendel, F. William Parker, Rob LaBelle, and Kelly Jean Peters. And the whole thing is I bought a triple movie from the Fan Expo a couple years ago, which had Jack Frost 2, Killer Tongue, and The Ice Cream Man. That's what it had. And ever since then, that was 2 years ago, I've been trying to figure out where to find Jack Frost. And I found a booth today, after a 20-minute walk, but I found the booth. And thankfully, they had Jack Frost. I'm so excited. It's only on Blu-ray, unfortunately, but I'm really excited that they have it. So, I'm obviously not going to come on here and do a video of all my expo things. I will do another quick video if I do the box, and I might do a not unboxing video to share the music video, because every year I do a music video, but I don't know if I'm going to do it on this channel or if I'm going to do it on my other channel, because I tend to keep this channel for, real things, unboxing and real life things that have nothing to do with, music videos or copyrights or anything like that. And I know you probably hate that I put it in quotes, but I mean, I know it is technically copyrights, but I'm not expecting money or anything for it, of course. I just do it for fun every year. And some people love just seeing the fact that I took a picture of them and they're like, oh, look, cool, can I have a copy? So, whatever. So it might be on my other channel. Either way, I'll try to make sure that there's a copy on here. So hopefully you'll see me again this weekend. If not, then you will see me next month. Probably just after my birthday, which is the 14th. Because we will have Loot Crate and we will have the Star Wars Bounty Box to undo, and with a little bit of luck, hopefully lootware. I was hoping for Wishing World this month, but it's due by the 3rd, and with Fan Expo this weekend, I don't know how much money I'm going to have left. So if I have enough money by Sunday, or we'll see what I have left after Saturday, because Sunday I'm not going to be able to spend any money anyway. So we'll see what I have left. If I have enough, then I will put the money on and I will order it Sunday once I get home. Otherwise, the Wizarding World will have to wait until November. It's the way it goes in the summertime, guys. But hopefully I'll be able to get lootware. I mean, it's not that I couldn't afford lootware last month. Really, I probably could have afforded one, but I didn't really like the theme. So we'll see what the theme's like for this month, and we'll go from there. But I'm not wasting money on something where I don't even like even one